welcome everyone. Bowing down to the lotus feet of Guruvayurappan and Gurunatha, we are going to begin today's class. We are going to study 67th canto. We have seen last week how Bhagavan, when he played the flute, all the gopis came rushing to Bhagavan in the middle of the night, and all are standing there looking at Bhagavan. And then when Bhagavan is now just trying to test them a little bit and said, "Why did you come here?" Then the gopis sing the beautiful Pranaya Geetam to show their love to Bhagavan, and the love and bhakti of the gopis is pouring in the Geetam called Pranaya Geetam in Srimad Bhagavatam. When Bhagavan was pleased with the bhakti of the gopis, so he decided to do rasa with them. And so Bhagavan did viharam in the woods with Radhe and all the beautiful gopis for a long time. All their wishes came true, and Bhagavan filled them with delight in all ways. And then slowly, now today what happens, let us see. We're going to have a kirtan. We are very fortunate to have very professional musician, but a great bhakta. அது ரொம்ப பாக்கியம். அந்த talent with bhakti and the dedication. Our Prasanna ji and his wife Suprasanna, Supraja, both of them. See, it's a good meaning actually. Suprasanna, right? Supraja and Prasanna ji, they are teaching music to many kids in Atlanta here, and many are benefiting from their presence in our community. And so to begin today, we are going to have a kirtan by Prasanna ji. At the end also, we are going to have an Ashtapadi by Prasanna ji. And in the middle, we are going to study the 67th chapter. It's coming in Bhagavatam, it will be the Gopi Geet. In Narayaniam, it is very beautifully explained all the events leading to the Gopi Geet. So 67th canto. So I'll request Prasanna ji to sing the kirtan now. Gopika Jeevana Smaranam Govinda Govinda Sadhguna Maharaj ki Jai.
राधे राधे शोभा जी. मनमोहन
Canto 67. पुरत्परानन्द रसात्मकेन त्वया समासादितभोगलीलाः असीममानन्दभरं प्रपन्नाः महान्तमाभुर्मदमम्बुजाक्ष्यः पुरत्परानन्द रसात्मकेन त्वया समासादितभोगलीलाः असीमम् आनन्दभरं प्रपन्नाः महान्तमाभुर्मदमम्बुजाक्षः. Bhagavan who is the Spurat Parananda, Ananda Swarupa, that Bhagavan who is Satchitananda Swarupa, and that Bhagavan who is Rasatmakan, the one who is the very embodiment of the ras, that Bhagavan Tvaya Samasadida Bhoga Leela, the gopis participated in the Leela with Bhagavan, Rasa Leela with Bhagavan, and experienced Asivamanandam, boundless, unlimited, this much rest, not possible in any other place in the world, any other worldly thing, in any loka. This much Ananda is Asimam Anandapar, beyond all bounds. Asimam Anandam Anubhavichu Prapannaha Mahandam Apur Madam. Then somehow the little pride is developing. Madam Ambujakshaha. So once we want to get something, then first we get it, then after some time, then the pride only is coming. Then we forgot how hard it was to get it. And once we get it, then they say, oh, I'm good, so I got it. Like that for worldly thing. This is Bhagavan. So the gopis, then as though they got a little pride, as though. This is only for our lesson, everything. So, Madam Ambujakshaha, the lotus-eyed gopis who are very beautiful, who are the only ones in all the universe to make Bhagavan dance with them. Which other avatara has there been danced? Which other bhakta got this blessing that Bhagavan is dancing with them and Bhagavan ko nacha diya, right? And the gopis ka ananda anugraham. Now the gopis have little bit of self-importance. The moment that ego comes, Bhagavan cannot stay there because both cannot be there. Only if the aham is there, Bhagavan is not there. Aham is not there, Bhagavan is there. Two cannot be there at the same time. So Bhagavan Niliyadesau Mayyamayam Ramapatir Vishwamano Viramaha Itisma Sarva Kalitabhimanaha Niriksha Govinda Tirohito Bhu Niliyadesau Mayyamayam Ramapatir Vishwamano Viramaha Itisma Sarva Kalitabhimanaha Niriksha Govinda Tirohito Bhu. They became filled with pride, saying, Krishna likes me. The moment the me is coming, then the ego has come, Bhagavan cannot be there. So they are thinking, I am beautiful, I am so having so much bhakti, so that Bhagavan is now doing rasa with me. That Bhagavan who is Ramapati, that Bhagavan as though seems to like me only. Like that, somehow they thought we made Bhagavan, get attracted to us. So this way, when the ego came, Vishwamanobhiramaha, that Bhagavan, it's not so easy to get Bhagavan's love like that. So the moment they got the pride, all of them, Kalita Abhimanaha, Niriksha Govinda Tirohito. Hey Govinda, hey Guruvayurappa, you just disappeared. Tirohitum, Tirodanam, Bhagavan disappeared. Then what did Bhagavan do? Radha Bidam Tavat Ajada Garva Atipriyam. See, whenever the Radha's name comes, Atipriyam. Bhagavan is their favorite. Atipriyam. Atipriyam Gopavadhu Murare Bhavanupadaya Gado Vidu स्वैरविहारकारी राधाभिधां तावत् अजातगर्वाम् अतिप्रियां गोपवधूं मुरारे भवानुपादाय गतो विदूरं तया सह स्वैरविहारकारी. Radhai does not have any pride, ajata garvam. So taking her, that Radhe who is so dear to her, dear to Bhagavan, Atipriyam, Gopavadhu Murari, Gopavadhu, Vaduna Vaifudan, consort. The gopis are like that. So Gopavadhu, the most beautiful, loving gopi, Bhagavan took just her and Viharam. Gato Viduram Tayasaha Swaira Viharakar. He started sporting with just Radha. Bhagavanku rest kadakirdu Radhai till. So Bhagavan just took Radhai and left. Now the gopis are crying. Suddenly, where is Krishna? Where is Krishna? So, Tirohite tatvai jatatapaha samam sameta kamalaya dakshaha vane vane tvam parimargayantyo vishadamahur bhagavan aparam. Tirohite tatvai jatatapaha samam sameta kamalaya dakshaha vane vane tvam parimargayantyo vishadamahur bhagavan aparam. When Bhagavan disappeared, Jata Tapaha, they are suffering with so much tapam. After getting something and then losing, getting that Bhagavan. And then suddenly to lose, that Viraha Bhava is coming now, deep Viraha. They are feeling, you cannot, once you get that Vastu, you will know the Mahatvam of it. And then, when it leaves, we cannot get the Viraha. For me, no Viraha, because I am looking for worldly things. Getting and separating, it doesn't cause Viraha, because that intense Prema Bhava, Vandaparam, the Viraha will come. When I never got Prema itself, Viraha will never come. So in beautiful Kirtan, also Guruji says, Katam Mamalabhyam Tava Viraham Krishna Katam Mamalabhyam Tava Viraham Katam Mamalabhyam Tava Viraham. No, beautiful song is there, Guruji wrote. Tava Viraham. So the Viraham, to get it only, first you have to have some Prema. And Prema is Guna Rahitam, Kamana Rahitam, Pratikshanam Vardhamanam. That type of Prema, only Bhagavan can give that. So the gopis got it and then Bhagavan disappeared. So now the Viraha is coming. Now they are crying. So much intense longing. To attain Bhagavan, we should also have the intense longing. For some bhaktas, if the intensity of suffering, like Gajendra is calling Narayana Agila Guru Bhagavan Namaste, then he says, the crocodile is holding my leg. I am not just asking release from the crocodile, but I am asking release from the cycle of life and birth and death, Krishna. Now release me. Release me from the whole cycle itself, not just this crocodile. The intensity came because of the pain he is suffering. Somehow the intensity has to come. Intensity to see, that intense longing has to come. Then only Bhagavan will come. If we are casual, doing this and that and then little bit chanting, Bhagavan will also do this and that and come. No, it take his own time. So the gopis have come to that state. There's nothing else. Only Krishna. We want to see you, nothing else we want. Like that they are crying with intense longing. Tirohite tatvai jata tapaha samam sameda kamalaya dakshaha. Went into forest after forest. In the night, in the middle of the night, they are searching. Vane vane tvam parimargayantyo vishadamapur bhagavan. Vishadam, intense grief they are experiencing without our Sri Krishna. And so they are crying. Very touching chapter. In Srimad Bhagavatam, it's coming in 30th chapter. अन्तर्हिते भगवती सहसैव व्रजाङ्गनाः अतप्यंस्तम् अचक्षाणाः करिण्यैव यूथपम्. They're crying with asking the trees, asking the grass, asking the tulsi tree, asking the ashoka tree, asking the creepers, have you seen our Krishna? That's the next sloka. Ha chuta ha chambaka karnikara आमल्लिके मालदि बालवर्यः किं वीक्षिणो नो हृदयैगचोरः इत्यादितास्त्वत्प्रवणा विलेपुः. आचूतः चम्पक कर्णिकार आमल्लिके मालदि बालवल्यः किं वीक्षितो नो हृदयैगचोरः इत्यादितास्त्वत्प्रवणा विलेपुः. Energy, and if we are really paying attention, we can hear the subtle feelings of trees. When you play music, the trees also have the effect. One tree will hear music continuously, one tree does not hear. The tree that hears music will grow very rich and give lot of fruits and flowers. The music has effect on the trees, so the trees also respond to our longing and the intense voice. So like that, they are talking to the trees. They are talking to the Mallika tree, Malati tree. They are talking to the creepers, Balavalyaha. Have you seen our Krishna? Have you seen our Krishna? The one who stole our heart. When the heart has been taken away, it cannot function normal now. They cannot just say, okay, let's go back home and come tomorrow. It won't work. The heart poyachan, no, it has gone to Bhagavan. You have to get it back. It's an avastha. That avastha will come at the very end. Some bhaktas, when Kunju Swami Bhakta is asking Ramana, cannot bear this, please help me, I cannot bear myself. Please help me, right? Intense feeling will come at the last stage, and they have to get through that. Then final release will come. Like that, so the gopis cannot do normal work after this. They have to get Bhagavan, otherwise cannot function. Like that, the feeling has come. Hridayeka chora. So, ityaditasvat pravana vilepuhu, and then they are crying and lamenting. What a vastu we got, and Nama Vittutomni, we gave up that, treasure of Sri Krishna. What is the use now? They are asking, now did you not do Putana Moksha? Did you not come and save us when Shakatasura came and attacked? Did you not save us from the intense whirlwind called Trinavarta? Did you not save us from the poisonous waters in Yamuna, and when Kaliya was flooding the whole place with poison? Did you not come and save us? Did you not come as save us when Arishtadasura came and Pralambasura came, and so many dangers came, and the forest fire happened? How many times you protected us, Krishna? Why are you not coming? Like this, you have to, when we pray, you have to chant his guna. Bhagavanoda gunatha cholla. See how the kirtan was sung, right? The Krishna who lives Govardhan, the Krishna who dances on Kaliya, the Krishna who is the favorite of Devaki and Yashoda, the Krishna who has stolen the heart of Radhe, Rukmini and Satyabhama. Like that, we are telling the gunas of Bhagavan everywhere, whether kirtan or whether shloka, or whether in our own heart we remember those, and then call Guruvayurappan with like that. Guruvayurappan likes it. He likes to hear his stories himself. Bhagavan likes to hear. So when you remind him, did you not lift Govardhana Krishna? Did you not say Gajendra Krishna? Did you not say Dhruva? Adamari Guna, Bhagavanoda Guna Chintana, they are repeating again and again, singing his glories and reminding themselves how many times you saved. Then like this, as they are seeing, as though they are seeing Krishna in right there, Ananya Bhavam, it became Tanmayam, the Sharira became Tanmayam. It was filled with Krishna Bhavam. Every limb of the body is now experiencing Krishna Bhavam. Like that, again and again narrating his gunas made them Tanmaya Shariram. That is this shloka. Nirikshitoyam Saki Pankajakshah Puru Mametya Kulamalapanti Tvam Bhavana Chakshushi Vikshakachite Tapam Sakina Dviguni Chakara. निरीक्षितोऽयं सखि पङ्कजाक्षः पुरो ममेत्याकुलमालपन्ती त्वां भावना चक्षुषि वीक्ष्य काचित् तापं सखीनां द्विगुणी चकार. Suddenly he is there, suddenly he disappears like that. They are in the state of intense feeling. So she says, I'm seeing here. It was only imagination. He was not there. So another gopi felt even more grief. Dvigudi Chakara. The grief was doubled when Bhagavan was not there. This is how they were, and Bhagavan left for Mathura later. This is how they were. Every moment thinking of Krishna again and again. How the whole place was filled with Krishna Bhava. Vrindavan even like that today also. So, Tvadatmikasta. They became, and Atma abdi avalkulla. Avale daita. They became, we are studying in another class in Aranyam 93 canto. 24 Gurus, beautiful canto it is. And there the beetle is constantly thinking about its killer who is going to attack it. So constantly thinking about someone, we become that one. So let us think about Krishna so that we become that Bhagavan. We think about whatever thought comes, we become that for the moment. Like that, Tvadatmikasta, they became Bhagavan himself inside. Bhagavan is taken over the entire body within. Tvadatmikasta Yamuna Tadande Tavanu Chakro Kila Cheshtitani. So now they are acting like Bhagavan. Kila Cheshtitani Vichitya Bhuyopi Tadaiva Manate Tvaya Vimuktam Dadrishishcha Radham. Tvadatmikasta Yamuna Tadande Tavanu Chakro Kila Cheshtitani Vichitya Bhuyopi Tathaiva Manate Tvaya Vimuktam Dadrishishcha Radham. Tvadatmikasta Yamuna Tadande Tavanu Chakru Kila Cheshtitani. So, Krishna became absorbed in them that now they are acting like Krishna. So they are remembering. Suddenly one gopi said how he lifted the Govardhan, and she took her dupatta and lifting up and saying, I'm lifting Govardhan. Another started acting like killing Shakatasura. Another acted like drinking forest fire. Becoming absorbed in Bhagavan. First we are doing the Sharira level. We are doing sadhana with our physical body. Daily chanting, daily lighting lamp, offering flower, daily seva. Then slowly it goes into the mind. Then we are planning everything like that around Bhagavan. So mind kulla it has come. Now mind lendi it has to go deeper to the chitta level where only Bhagavan in everything. So keeping Bhagavan like that in the heart, then he became one with them. The Aham has merged in Bhagavan. So now they are acting like Bhagavan. There is no second. He himself acting like Bhagavan and felt his presence inside. And then as they are walking like this, seeing everywhere, looking and searching everywhere, now they came to Dadrishishta Radham. Here Bhattadri put, they saw Radhe. In Bhagavatam, there are a few shlokas leading to that darshan. So what happened in Bhagavatam as the gopis are searching like this, going after one forest to another, going in one forest to another with asking the trees, etc. They were looking, then they came to one place where the grass is having clear footprints of Bhagavan. The footprints of Bhagavan are seen. So what are the footprints? How will you know it's Bhagavan's footprint? It will have Shankarekai, Chakrarekai, Dvaja, the lotus, the hook, the Vajram. All these chinnas are there in Bhagavan's feet. So when we see the feet with all those chinnas in the grass, they were able to see. We said, Krishna has walked this way. So that's the shloka they were saying. Evam Krishna Vrichamana Vrindavanalatastaru Vyachakshada Vanodeshe Parami Paramatmanaha. They saw the symbols, the mark of Krishna's footprints. पदानि व्यक्तमेधानि नन्दसूनोर्महात्मनः लक्ष्यन्ते हि ध्वजाम्बोज वज्राङ्कुशयवादिभिः இதெல்லாம் இருக்கு. The Chinna will have Dvaja, the flag sign. Why flag sign? The flag is hoisted to show victory, love. The victory of Premai, that the flag is there. The victory of the love of the Bhakta to Bhagavan. So that victory sign is shown by the Chinna of flag in the lotus feet. Ambuja, Dvaja Ambuja, the lotus is there. The lotus signifies the Anandam the Bhakta feels when he is with Bhagavan. The feet will have the Anandam, the devotee experience. Vajra, why Vajra? The thunderbolt. Vajra is needed to. Indra used his Vajrayuda to cut mountains' wings. The mountains had wings and they were flying everywhere. Indra used to cut mountains with the Vajrayuda. What do we have? Mountains of sins which are separating us from Bhagavan. So the Vajra Chinnam is there. Hold on to feet of Bhagavan and you get all this benefit. The Vajra in the feet of Bhagavan will chop the sins that we have accumulated, the mountains of sins. So the Vajra is there. Vajra Ankusha, Ankusha Rekha, the hook Rekha is there. The hook is there to take the mind to Bhagavan. The mind will be put in the hook and pulled inside to satsang. So the hook is also there. Holding on to the feet of Bhagavan will give us more and more satsang chance. Then grain. Vajragushayava Yava Adibihi. The grain sign is there to show prosperity when one worships the feet of Bhagavan. So the gopis are able to see the footprints in the grass. They got excited to see the footprint. Then Taistai Padastat Padavim Anvichantu Agrato Abala Padva Padai Supriktani Vilokyata Samabruvan. After some time they saw, we see two sets of footprints. Not only Krishna, but see, they are interspersed with Radha's footprints. Radha's footprints, same way. We are seeing, we're going to hear a kirtan later. The foot of Radha is Krishna's favorite. Krishna is called the one who attracts. Krishna, Akarshati. But also, Krishna name also says the one who gets attracted. That is who is attracting him. Radha. The only person who can attract Bhagavan is Radha. So that Radha's footprint also they are seeing. Now they are saying, why did she get the anugraham that he took only her? And he's sporting with her. How blessed is she? How did she get that status? Anaya Aradito. No. Radha's pair is not there in Bhagavatam, but the only place it's Sage Shuka is narrating Bhagavatam. Sage Shuka or the Guru is Radha. The moment he says Radhe, he will go to Samadhi. The sweet name will do that. Murcha Advar, he'll become unconscious. So he's so careful not to take that two letters Radha. So he's, if he went to Samadhi, Parikshit will not get to hear Bhagavatam. And Parikshit has only 7 days. Who knows how long it will take for Shuka to come out of Samadhi? Parikshit has only 7 days. The serpent Takshaka is going to bite him. Shapa is there. So Shuka, for the sake of his bhakta, is retaining his ego for the time being. So he is careful not to say Radha. That's why Radha did not come in Bhagavata. So, Anaya Aradito, unconditional love and eternal service. By her, that Krishna took her. So that is why that sloka is coming. Anaya aradito nunam bhagavan haririshwarah yanno vihaya govindah kito yamanayatraha. So he just took Radhe and went somehow. Then the gopis are saying, aha, how blessed is Radhe. Dhanya aho ami alyo govindam rabjare namaha yan brahmesho rama devi dadur mudnya ganuttaye. The lotus footprints of Bhagavan, so auspicious that even yan brahmesho, Brahmaji, Lord Shiva, Rama Devi, they take the dust of the feet of Bhagavan and sprinkle it on their head. Dadur Mudnyaganuttaye, to remove all their papam. The law gods take the dust of the feet of Bhagavan and sprinkle on them. What about us? On the feet of Krishna, the gopis are seeing. Then तस्य अमोनि न क्षोभः कुर्वन्त्युच्चैः पदानि यदि यैकापहृत्य गोपीनां रहो भुङ्क्ति अच्युताधरम्. They are telling how come only she got the chance. Bhagavan wants to teach them, the gopis, a lesson by showing, you think Radha is one of you? Not really. Bhagavan is telling them, and the Radha in you irka, and the Radha oda kripayala you are getting this, and you are thinking she's so humble and sweet that she'll mix with everyone like as though she's like that. She's not. She's not. Bhagavan wants to show them that. So, Bhagavan, now you'll see the next loka, Bhagavan left her also and disappeared. Then, that's the sloka here, Dadrushishta Radha. The gopis are seeing only Radha. Even though they saw them together before with the footprints, now they are seeing Radha alone. Why did Bhagavan leave her? Bhagavan wants to show them her love, her viraha, her mahabhava. So the people, gopis are telling, Radhe was there with him. Then he's for us, all of us together. How did he just take Radhe? How is she so special? Like this they are thinking. Then now they will see why they are. Bhagavan says she is special. So they are telling, na lakshande padanyatra tasyanunam trinanguraihi hidya sujatangri uninye preyasim priyaha. So they saw two footsteps before, right? After going little bit, they also follow the footsteps exactly. After going little bit, they saw, Arey, where is her footprint? Now, okay, Krishna, the footprint is only there. Yes, now he must have lifted her on his shoulders. He's carrying her. And now see, when we go little further, see how the footprints are embedded deeply, more deeply. The front part of the feet is embedded deeper than the heel. The heel is not seen, but only the front part of the feet are seen and the toes are seen here. What does it mean? He's carrying her and he's carrying her and then trying to reach the top branch of the tree to pluck flowers for her. So, appadi kaala vechi Bhagavan is holding her and plucking flowers, or the gopis are able to think and come to these answers. Then they say, see, he must have plucked flowers for her. Then see, he made a beautiful garland for her. See her now here, he must have decorated her hair with that flowers. See how lucky she is. Like that they're telling. Then afterwards, when they saw what did Bhagavan do, here it seems Radha, now this sloka will tell, Tatas Samamta Vipin, Radha is also got little pride. No, not really. Vimukta Vichitya Bhuyobi Tataiva Manati. Kaya Vimuktam Dadrashista Radha. Radha Tani Uttuta Bhagavan. Bhagavan, Radha it seems said, Krishna, I'm very tired, you carry me. So Bhagavan carried her. After some time, Bhagavan thought, okay, I need to kind of teach the gopis a lesson. So even as he was carrying her, he just disappeared. So Radha was left holding the branch. And then Radha was crying. Then she came down. Then Radha is also crying. All up. When the gopis saw Radhe in that intense viraha. Radhe could not even, function like so much in that viraha that she's about to get unconscious. The gopis have to sprinkle tulasi water on her and make her smell some herbs to revive her. Again, she goes to unconscious state. Again, the gopis fan her and try to make her smell some chandanam of Bhagavan. Again, she comes back. Appadi viraham. She's not able to hold herself together. The limbs are disappearing. The sharirame dravichu forth. The heart will melt with devotion, we say, as though never melted for me yet. If the heart is melting, but for Radhe, the whole body is melting. Hridayame dravichud. Drava means it becomes water. In the intense love, she became Radha Kund in Vraj. The whole body melted for love of Bhagavan. That love. When they saw the gopis with Radhe with this much love, then they, understood, wow, this Radhe, we are so blessed to have Radhe. Then Radhe is telling them, you're going to keep going farther and farther to look for him? No need. Let us all sit here and call him and sing his glories. If you go further, more, he will get worried for our sake. The forest is very dangerous and so dark now. Let us not make him worry about us. எப்பவுமே every second Krishnarku, not a moment our Krishna should have any anxiety, anything, any tense moment. Krishna should never have that. That is Radha's feeling for Krishna. Not 1 minute I should give Krishna a little bit of uncomfortable feeling towards me. Not one moment. That is Radha. Tat Sukh Sukhita. Intense love. Krishnaku onnume varappada. Every moment our Krishna should be happy. If he has to be with 16,000 wives, be it so. Let Krishna be happy. Every minute. Every minute under Radha. How can we understand, right? That much she's saying, he will be crying for us if we keep on suffering like this in darkness. Let us sit here. Let us sit here and wait for him. And so she made them all sing together the Gopi Geet. அதுதான் அடுத்த பாகவதத்தில் 30 first we all studied Gopi Geet. Jayadi Dedigam Janmana Vraja Shayada Indira Shashwaratrahi Daida Drishyada Dikshutavaka Tvaidrita Sava ஒரு பாட்டு அழுது singing with intense longing. They are calling him, Krishna, you incarnated, and the whole earth is prosperous, and our whole Vraja is so prosperous because our Ramadevi is eternally residing here because you are here, and yet we are suffering without you. How can you leave us in this pitiable state? When will you come? When will you come? Every song, every verse, when will you come, Krishna? When will you come? Appadi, they are calling. Then they are saying, we are hearing your katha which purifies all the people who hear it. The katha which brings auspiciousness and peace to the people who hear it. The katha is keeping us going, Krishna. You please don't delay. Please come. Like this. They are all singing. Tatastamam ta vipine samandade tamo vadaravati margayandyaha punarvimishra yamuna tadande brisham vile puscha jagur gunamste. That is the shloka. Sitting on the banks of the Yamuna, all together. We have to be calling Bhagavan together. It's not like, oh, she will do, I will do. No, all have to do. And all are doing together. The atmosphere becomes very potent with the divine power. Appo Bhagavan comes immediately, right? All calling together. Adukkudan you have to do personal in-person satsangs, right? Zoom is good, all the houses are now getting benefit. Every house there is Krishna Katha, good. But then we also need to conglomerate together and sing the glories together so that the divinity will be very potent in that place. So like that, all together they are singing the Gopi Geet. That is the shloka. Tatastamamta vipine samandade tamovadaravadi margayandyah punarvimishra yamuna tadande vrisham vile puscha Jagurgunamste. You have to narrate Katha. What did Hanumanji do when he's sitting on the top of the tree and Sita Mata is about to, kill herself? There's no point living without Rama. How did Hanumanji get her confidence? Again, the Priya Raja Aranda, his name was Dasharatha. He was a great charioteer and he had 4 stalwart sons. Rama Katha Todanginar. The Katha is the one which will attract Bhagavan. Either Bhagavan or Bhakta or the saint, you want to attract them and get their grace. Katha kehna hai, Katha sunna hai, always chant his gunas. Adhutan very. So here they are all singing the gunas of Bhagavan. Tatas samamta vipine samandadi tamovadaravadi margayandyah punarvimishra yamuna tadande vrisham vile puscha Jagurgunamste. Now Bhagavan reappears. Tata vyata sankulamanasana Pantanana Karunaiva Sindhu. His Karuna Samudram. You cannot see the bhaktas crying, so he will immediately came. Tata vyata sankulamanasana Jagatrayi mohana mohanatma Indradurasi Mandasi suddenly appeared because he is Karunaika Sindhu. Jagatrayi mohana mohana. That Bhagavan who infatuates the 3 worlds. We are all in the tied by the noose with Bhagavan oda glance nala. Adha nammal inga irukkum. Again and again every week want to sing his leelas, right? Because we are caught in his net of grace. So Jagatrayi mohana mohanatma tvam pradurasi mandahasi, with a soft smile which will infatuate even Cupid, the one who infatuates the whole world. That smile, that beauty, Bhagavan suddenly stands in front of them. He said, again the prana has returned. Every sense has retained its energy now. The whole body is alive again with the prana flowing fast inside. And they all go and show the love to Bhagavan. Sandigdha Sandarshana Atmakantam. This is Atmakantam. Bhagavan, the beloved Krishna. Tva vikshatan vyasahasa tadanim kim kim na chakru pramadadi bharade pramadadi bharat. Intense joy. See, Bhattadriyoda words alla appadha irukkum. Aseema anandam first sloka. Right now what? Pramadadi bhara. Thanga mudiyatha bharam of what? Ananda. Ananda bhara. Nice, no? Namalukkellam samsara tapa bhara. Here, Ananda bhara. See? So, Sandigdha Sandarshanam Atmakandam Tvam Viksha Tanvya Sahasa Tadanim Kim Kim Na Chakru Pramadadi Varade Sattvam Gada Palaya Marudesha Pramadadi Vara Anandatud Bharatil Appadi Bhagavan, they are expressing the love in different ways. Bhagavan took them to the Ananda state, and then Bhattadri says, Krishna, I am also here. Please cure my ailments, Guruvayurappa. Please bless me with bhakti. Sattvam Gadan Palaya Marudesha Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha.
Radhe Radhe Shobhaji. Padasiyati kinchi garte datyaruti kauti arudharati nidati kodam Puragadhara Shinave
telling, Radhe, konjam, can you talk little bit? Konjam patient. Want to hear your sweet words. You never open your mouth. The moment she open mouth, அப்படியே hridayam melt ஆகும் Krishna. Konjam eda patient. That is first one. Another one is also when you say the verse before that, when the kamalam இருக்கு இல்லையா, ஸ்தலத்தோட கமலம் is in the water, right? But here ஸ்தலத்துல கமலம்னா குலாம், rose. அழகான rose is compared to a lotus. A rose is like the flower of India, இல்லையா, the king flower, இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி அந்த ரோஸோட அழகு கூட பொண்ணோட ஃபேஸ் puts it to shame. ஏன்னா this rose வந்து it will have the beautiful nectar which the honeybees will come and drink and know, but the rose is also soft like Radhe. The Radheyoda lipsoda honey is like that, etc. But the rose will wither very soon. But our Radhe is not, is eternal ananda she is giving. Mama hridaya ranjaya, என்னோட ஹிருதயத்தை மெல்டாக்கறா இந்த ராதேன்னு அது ஒரு verse. Like this it is infinite, the meaning. And Padmavati would pair also he put because as Padmavati and Jayadeva are working for the king at that time, and the king or the queen is having talk with Padmavati, and one time she says when the husband is when the wife hears of the husband passing away, the wife will be so immersed with love that she will commit suicide like the Sati Madri, and the wife will immediately jump into the fire and give up herself because why, what is my life without my husband? அப்படி இருக்கான்னு பத்மாவதி அவள் சொல்றா. The queen is telling such stories. So how can it be? How can just somebody lay like that? Then she's trying to test Padmavati, the queen, and she just told Jayadeva is not there. He died or something. அப்படி உடனே she died. உடனே. Then she saw the intense love of Padmavati for Jayadeva, and then when the Jayadeva actually came back, and then Bhagavan himself revived her. Something, that story will come so.
இந்த இதே அஷ்டபதியாக ஜெயதேவர் பாடுவார். அது பாடினதுனால பத்மாவதி மாதா she will revive back. So அதனால it's called Mrityunjaya Ashtapadi too. Anyone who is sick or any யாருக்காவது அந்த கடைசி ஸ்மரணம் அந்த ஜீவன் பகவானோட சேரணும்னா they